If you are a beginner or if you are an advanced professional trader, then I got to tell you right now, if you are not using smart charts, then you are definitely missing out. So I'm going to be showing you some critical things that you can do today to improve your trading with smart charts. So if you guys do not know, for professional traders, accurate charting, it is everything. And as I have mentioned, SmartCharts offers a range of advanced charting tools that gives you deeper insight into market movements. So in today's video, we'll actually explore how you can actually use these powerful features to elevate your trading strategy. So let's go ahead and dive in. So if we take a look right here at SmartCharts, you guys are going to see that this is the website, right? I'm going to highly recommend you dive down into it. If you like to get started, just go right here to start trading. Pretty easy and simple. Just put in your name, email address, and send a message. So you're going to be able to get your login and you're going to be able to get yourselves started. All right. So if we go ahead and take a look here, you guys can see that we have smart charts. Once you officially log in, this is exactly what it's going to look like. So the first thing I want to talk about is basically we got the charts, right? So the charts, guys, this is super advanced. All right. So first things first, if you actually go down here in the very far left corner, you guys are going to be able to see that you're going to be able to choose a whole bunch of different grids, right? So obviously you got one chart, you got two charts, you got three charts, and you even got four charts, right? So you're going to be able to decide exactly what you like. Not only that, you guys, but I also want you guys to understand, I mean, you're going to be able to set up your own custom template, all right? So which is actually pretty cool and pretty easy. You can actually save them as well, all right? So if we go ahead and take a look here, let's just dive down into one chart here. Let's just go ahead and do that right now so I can show you exactly what this looks like. You guys can see right here that we do have a strategy currently going on known as volume rev, right? So obviously if you'd like to remove that, you are more than welcome to, right? So the currency for this one is AUD USD, right? So what we can actually do is we can actually go take a look for this one. So AUD against USD, right? And we can click right here for no strategy, okay? So I want you guys to understand that is pretty easy and simple. That's how you remove strategies. And just go ahead and break it down for you really quick, you guys. If you guys do not know these strategies, these are the signals. They got what is known as pip runner, they got the 180 phase changer, they got the T-wave, they got the volatility reversal, we got the bullion bounce, and we even have the breakfast breakout, okay? So these are very good. If you don't know anything about these, what I'm going to recommend, find one that you like, obviously, and then go over here to what is known as the learn section. So technically this learn section is going to provide you all the details. So for example, we have the breakfast breakout, right? It just kind of continues from there, and you're going to be able to basically go through the whole process here so you can actually learn right here, learn Forex. All right. But anyways, back to the charting. As I have stated, you guys, we have a lot of different things here, right? So you can change candles, you can do whatever you'd like, but let's talk about the indicators, right? Let's talk about that really quick. So indicators are very important. You can help, determine where the chart is going, especially whenever it comes to say the trend. We got oscillators, we got the Bill Williams, we got the pivot, we got volatility, and we even have the time. If we click right here for oscillator, you can see like we can add a MACD here, right? Which is actually pretty cool. But not only that, you guys, what actually helps out with this, these charting tools, not only can you choose the different time frames here, right? You guys can actually see that right there. Pretty cool, pretty awesome, right? You guys can see exactly how this works. So technically, really quick for the MACD, whenever it's above right here, the zero, the middle line, right? The baseline is zero. It starts to become a bullish, right? And you can actually see right here, it looks like we're creating higher lows than the MACD. So there's a good chance that we're looking for a potential reversal here. You can even see it in the price action, right? Not only that, but whenever you get this normal crossover, this normally determines that it is a potential buy or short signal, right? Depends on what you're looking for. But in this case, you guys will see right here, if we actually take a look, that we do have these different tools that we can use. We can use trend lines. So let's actually go ahead and just kind of use this really quick. You guys can do whatever you'd like here, but you guys can see that we could choose, let's just do like, I don't know, an average line or something like that, right? You're going to be able to click, but you guys will see right here, you're going to be able to decide, right? So for example, you can find out where, the supports are in resistance, right? So pretty important you guys understand that, right? So if we actually just kind of take a look here, you guys can see exactly how this works, right? So we can just do one right there. So that's going to be an average line. Not only that, but we can go ahead and add in another one as well. So trend lines, we can do a horizontal line, right? So we can just kind of put that wherever we'd like, right? So we can adjust that. So it looks like there is definitely a support or resistance area right here where we're currently at, right? So you guys can see that. We can go ahead and draw draw like another tool as well. We could do trend lines once again. So you guys could see, obviously it depends exactly what you want to do. We can just do trend line, right? So you guys could see here that we could actually just kind of draw out an angle and see that we're at a what is known as a sloping resistance. Okay, so the price action technically has to break above this in order to get a nice strong breakout to the upside. Not to mention, as stated, that it does look like our MACD is starting to look bullish at this current moment. So this means that we could actually see a potential move to the upside as stated very soon. And that is exactly what we're looking for, right? We can even do like an angle so you guys can see exactly how that works, right? So we're kind of stuck in this little pattern right here, and hopefully we can get a bounce here and get a breakout. However, if the price action falls back below this area, we'd be looking for a short to the downside, right? So that's pretty much it, especially whatever comes to these tools. As stated, we got those multi-time frames. You can, you can create your own custom charts so you guys can see exactly how I have this set up. Now, mind you, if you use a lot of indicators, a lot of patterns, all that jazz, your chart might get cluttered, but these are super advanced. And I even stated up here that you can use these strategies as well. So these are technically already, custom built as stated, and you can be able to choose exactly whatever you'd like to do. So if we just kind of click right there, you guys will see, it's pretty easy and simple, right? So I already have stuff here on the chart. So as stated, if you'd like to, you can even go down here and you're going to be able to save your workplace, right? So that's pretty much it. All right. So once again, you guys go sign up, right? So with Smart Charts, you guys, advanced trading features, you'll have everything that you need to analyze the market with precision. From custom indicators to multi-time frame analysis, these tools are designed to give you the edge. All right. So I have to admit, you guys, I really love Smart Charts and everything that it has to offer, right? You guys clearly saw it. Super easy and intuitive. So if you guys have any questions, as stated, make sure that you leave some comments down below and let us know exactly what do you think about Smart Charts.